Why friendship is important? It turns out that good friends make you happier and create a positive, healthy mindset. Having a close circle of friends can make your life easier and provide comfort during difficult times. When you move to a new city and after devoting hours at work, you want someone with whom you can chill. Having a friend in a new city can help you navigate the environment and make you feel less homesick. It can be pretty stressful when you move to a new city. You have all the packing to do, planning like finding a new home in the new city, unpacking, buying and set up the home, transport of luggage and so on. If you could find a friend or social connection, it will help reducing stress and give some motivation to stay. A great friend can bring out the best in you. New city means new everything. If you struggle to find ways to make friends in a new city, like I do, this video will surely help. We have compiled with 10 best ways to make friends in a new city, and these tips works perfectly well. Making friends in a new city can be difficult. You may be promoted and moved to a new city or taken a new job and needed to make a change. You are entirely new to the city where you don't know anyone. You cannot survive alone, you would need friends and acquaintances to socialize. Moving to a new city can be exciting and intimidating as well. You have to set up everything from the scratch. It can be daunting trying to make friends. It can be hard to get social circles started when everyone has their own lives. You might feel alone, and that's when friends are the best companion. The most common way is to meet someone is by social gathering. But there are other ways too. Get yourself involved in group activities. Joining won't work if you don't get involved in activities. Often, people attend group activities for a few days or weeks and then stop going. Mostly introvert people do this. Almost every week these clubhouses arrange programs that require volunteer. If you are looking for opportunities to make friends quickly, certainly these kinds of group activities will help. You may also bump into someone who is looking for a new relationship. Engaging in group activities will not only be rewarding for you personally, but can also share interests in meeting with new people. Find events to attend. Events are a great place to find new connections. You can join events of your interests like music, dance, painting, reading, etc. The benefit of joining such events is to find someone who can match your personality and sensibility. Indeed, to make new friends you will have to give a little effort. But if you are positive, finding a friend won't be that hard. Say hello to your neighbor. Neighbors can be good or bad, it all depends on your luck. But certainly, it is one of the easiest way to make friends in a new city. You recently moved to New York, and your neighbor is an Irish. You don't have to judge. Try to be nice, courteous. Say hello or good morning when you bump into them in the lift. You can also invite them over to your place on a weekend night. Try to help them if they need any. Within just a few days, you will have a new friend by your next door. Talk to your colleague and coworker. If you have joined your office, I am sure you have coworkers. One of the best ways to make friends quickly is by bonding with your coworkers. They are not unknown to you. To be friends with them, you just have to interact with them frequently. Approach them for hangout or invite them to your place for a dinner or drink. You can also plan a city tour with them in the new city. If they know the city well, ask them to give you a tour. Take actions. To make new friends, you have to take action, like baby steps. You can't be good friends in one meeting. If you are comfortable with the XYZ person and want to improve your relationship with them, start doing things like inviting them to your home for dinner, play a game or any other activity that you both like. Sing up dating app. If nothing seems to be fruitful, you can register on a legal dating app and find someone of common interest to meet. Usually this is the least of all that I will advise, but many people feel comfortable finding someone on the dating app. There are several apps. Be reasonable and considerate enough to choose the right person for friendship. Icebreaking conversation. If you have attended any club or group program, now is the time for you to take an initiative. It's called the icebreaking conversation. With a little courage, you can start asking them questions like how are you, what is the best place to eat nearby, where is the best local brewery pub, and so on. The first ice-breaking conversation is always tough and tougher if you are an introvert person. But once you give yourself a little nudge, you are a way closer to make a new friend in the new city. That's all guys for today, coming soon with a new video.